For decades, the world looked at this tiny drop of the Indian Ocean through the lens of conflict, crisis, and postcards that only tell half the story. It makes you wonder, is this actually the most misunderstood island on earth? Off the southern tip of India, floating in the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean, lies a small island with a giant soul. This is Sri Lanka. This island has captured hearts for centuries with its breathtaking beauty, warm people, and rich traditions. Sri Lanka is a tropical island nation located in South Asia, just 30 kilometers from the southern coast of India. Despite its small size, just over 65,000 square kilometers, this island offers one of the most geographically diverse landscapes in the world. Within a few hours' drive, you can go from sun-drenched beaches to misty highlands, from ancient ruins to a vibrant urban life. Mountains, rainforests, dry zones, coastal plains, Sri Lanka is a nature's compressed masterpiece. With over 26 national parks and hundreds of endemic species, Sri Lanka is a biodiversity hotspot. Watch elephants bathe in the wild, leopards crawl in Yala, and blue whales rise from the deep of Mirissa coast. The island is home to more than 5,000 flowering plant species, 250 bird species, and some of the world's most scenic train journeys. From the golden coastlines of the south to the emerald green tea gardens of the hill country, nature unfolds here like nowhere else. Sri Lanka has been known by many names through history. Serendip, a Persian word that gives birth to serendipity. Taprobane, the name used by ancient Greeks and Romans. Ceylon from the colonial era. Over 2,500 years, it has been home to advanced civilizations. Its ancient kingdoms left behind breathtaking legacies, rock fortresses, royal gardens, towering stupas, and a written history older than most nations. Today, Sri Lanka is a peaceful, democratic republic with a multi-ethnic, multi-religious society. The country has been moved forward from the past challenges with a growing tourism industry, infrastructure development, and a renewed global outlook. Sri Lankans are known for their hospitality, resilience, and deep cultural pride. You will feel it in every smile, every roadside conversation, and every warm cup of tea shared with a stranger. The local currency is Sri Lankan rupees. Sri Lanka is one of the most affordable travel destinations in Asia. With budget-friendly transport, low-cost accommodations, and delicious street foods under $2, you can travel well here without breaking the bank. What makes Sri Lanka unforgettable is the blend of everything it offers. Sun-kissed beaches, mountain hikes, ancient cities, wildlife safaris, rich food culture, and the friendliness of its people. Few places on earth offer so much variety in such a small space. One morning you could be sipping tea in the highlands, and by the evening surfing in the southern coast. Here are few places you must not miss. Sigiriya Rock Fortress, which is a 5th century wonder in the heart of the island. Allar, the hiking paradise among tea gardens and rolling hills. Galle Fort, which is the colonial charm by the sea. Nuwara, the little England of Sri Lanka. Kandy, the home to the sacred temple of Tooth Rally. Yala National Park, one of the best places in Asia to spot leopards. Jaffna, the rich Tamil culture and the northern hospitality. Arugambe, a surfer's paradise. Island Whispers is your escape into the heart of Sri Lanka. We'll take you to new destinations, sharing hidden gems, local legends, travel trips, and immersive experiences. Whether you are planning your dream vacation or just dreaming from home, we invite you to discover the soul of the island, one whisper at a time. Subscribe to Island Whispers and hit the bell icon to never miss a journey. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and join a growing community of travelers who believes that beauty lies in discovery. Until next video, travel gently, listen deeply.